Mathaini ma kiroko kia umuthi ari muthenya umwe mbere ya mucemanio munene wa BBI na uria utanyitwo mwena wa Gicũa-inĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Mombatha. Na rugari wa kiũteti uria ukoretwo githegea kiumia-inĩ gĩkĩ nĩ wĩyumĩririe kĩng'ang'a-inĩ thutha wa gĩkundi Kenya na gũtharĩkĩra atongoria amwe na arĩa megũtanyĩte kũheana ndũmĩrĩri yao ĩgiĩ mũcemanio ũyũ. Atongoria aya arĩa nĩ Aisha Jumwa wa Malindi, Mohamed Ali wa Nyeri, Athman Sharif wa Lamu East na Gertrude Beyu wa Kilifi mang'etheirwo nĩ nyanake ici na iria gũikagia mahiga nyuguto na mbere ya kwarĩria andĩki a mohoro. Gũkũ thiriti yao ya hakuhĩ na mũnini wa mũtongoria wa bũrũri William Ruto yonekire gũkorwo arĩ gĩtũmi gĩa tharĩko ĩno.
Na hivi sasa mimi nataka niwaambie, sasa ndo mnapata full meaning ya BBI ni nini. Mumepata kuijua kwa sababu hao watu hawezi kufichika. Na mimi nakwambia we will not be intimidated. Mimi nimesimama hapa na silikuwa nawaangalia tu. Hakuna vile mimi wangeniambia sijui nini vitu ambavyo havieleweki, just to create a scene, kuonekana kwamba there's something sijui nini, but at least hawangeweza kujificha wale watu wao ambao wamewatuma hapa.
You are telling us it's uniting and now you are attacking us. You are sending your goons, some works in the county as inspectorates. You are sending them to attack us because we simply want to say that we will be at Tononoka to speak for our people. The problems that are facing our people should be addressed tomorrow.
Andĩki a mohoro arĩa megwĩkinyĩtie gĩikaro-inĩ gĩkĩ nao matinahonoka morũrũ ma nyanake ici. Gũkũ mũmbunge Mohamed Ali atigirwo akĩng'ethanĩra na nyanake ici ũndũ ũrĩa makuruhanĩtie ng'ethanĩria wa kĩũteti na gũkorwo mabangĩte.
Waende wapi? Si ukuja tupige mawe.
Hii labda ni kionjo tu kwa wale mengi ambao wameyapanga. Lakini sisi tumesema ikiwa kweli BBI is about inclusivity, it's about the unity of this country, we will be there to air our views ya watu wetu wa pwani.
Junet, keep your Migori, we keep our Mombasa. Eti Junet anatuambia ati yeye ndio atasema nani anaongea. This is Mombasa, there are leaders from Mombasa. Migori problem is not Mombasa's problem.
Ikiwa kuna watu watazungumza, then mimi nimetangulia kusema ya kwamba na priority apewe kiongozi ama mpwani azungumze because BBI chapter iko coast.
Gũkũ Nairobi gĩkundi kĩa ambunge ya kĩama kĩa ODM nĩ marutĩire mũkana ambunge a Tangatanga mbere ya mũcemanio wa rũciũ. Gũkũ ningĩ mathing'ĩrĩirie mũnini wa President William Ruto acũnge mũhera kumana na mĩario mĩũru ĩrĩa tũirĩarĩtie ĩgiĩ riboti ya BBI.
You do not come late into a train that has taken off and then come chest thumping and giving condition about how that train should be driven. Right now we have just seen in Mombasa, Jubilee allied members of parliament
tender and reserve apology with the president for the weeks and months in which you engage in 2022 campaign against your boss's wishes, and use these platforms to divide the nation and cause disaffection within the nation while disparaging the BBI.
Maya makĩhanĩkaga mũcemanio nĩ ũthamĩtio kuma kĩharo-inĩ gĩa Tononoka nginyagia kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Mama Ngina Drive. Arĩ kumana na kĩrĩa atabania ya mũcemanio maugĩte nĩ hahũ ya ũgitĩri. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura Wagunya.